Look at this. A massive mountain of old, rusty cylinders. Time to recycle.
Moving in. The conveyor belt never stops.
Look at that rust. We need to clean them up.
Down they go. Straight into the beast.
Scraping off the old skin. Intense power.
Peeling it away. Good as new underneath.
Into the heat tunnel. Purging the impurities.
High pressure wash. Blasting away the dirt.
Hit them from all angles. Get them totally clean.
A waterfall of purification. Washing away years of rust.
Blast it with fire. Dry them out instantly.
Here comes the crunch. The teeth of the shredder.
Torn to shreds. Nothing survives this.
A river of silver scraps. Next stop, the wash.
Miles of metal chips, ready for the next phase.
Scrubbing it down. Getting rid of every speck of oil.
Precision jets. Washing with extreme force.
Dropping down to dry. The heat is turning up.
Into the inferno. Time to melt.
Liquid fire. The metal transforms completely.
Thousands of degrees. A beautiful glowing soup.
Here it comes. Pure molten metal pouring out.
Flowing like a river of gold. Heading to the molds.
Filling up the giant molds. Shaping the future.
Cooling down. Watch the crust form on top.
Lifting the heavyweights. Solid but still burning hot.
Placed on the rollers. Time to transport these glowing bricks.
A march of fire and steel. Slowly cooling as they move.
Shock cooling. Water meets extreme heat.
Cooled and solidified, but looking a bit rough right now.
Time for a makeover. The milling machines go to work.
Shaving off the rough. Look at that shine hidden underneath.
Hitting the edges. Sparks flying everywhere.
A flawless assembly line. Polishing them to perfection.
Mirror finish. You can see your reflection.
Final washdown. Rinsing away the cutting fluid.
Drying them off, getting them ready to pack.
Out they come. Perfect, shiny blocks of metal.
A sea of silver, moving in perfect harmony.
Robotic precision, stacking them up effortlessly.
Overhead crane on the move. Taking them to the warehouse.
Wow. Just look at this warehouse. Absolute perfection.
Walking through a canyon of pure silver.
From rusty junk to shining treasure. An endless sea of possibilities.
Stacking the final piece. Great job.
The journey is complete. Pure, shiny, and ready.
Remember where we started? This rusty mess.
Reborn in the fire. The ultimate transformation.
Molded into a new shape. A clean slate.
Out of the mold, it's taking form.
Milling away the ugly skin. Hello, beautiful mirror.
Polishing up to a blinding shine. So satisfying.
Blasting the last speck of dust. Crystal clear.
Fresh out of the oven. Dry and stunning.
An army of mirrors. Rolling to the finish line.
Grab, lift, and stack. The robots do it best.
Building the towers of tomorrow. Piece by piece.
Lost in a maze of pure, shining metal.
Look at the sheer scale. A city made of silver.
This is recycling at its absolute finest.
A masterpiece of engineering. Ready to build the world anew.